All right, well, you asked for it, and he asked for it, and I kind of asked for it too. We're gonna renovate Gavin's front yard. And I think, obviously you're excited, I'm excited, you're probably excited too. So many of you commented on the last video saying, do it, we're gonna do it. And I wanna just kind of walk you guys through what we're looking at, what we've done already this year, and what the plan is going forward. So for those of you that have just moved into a house, this is kind of where we're gonna start. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. You just moved into a house, want to know where to start with the lawn, getting it up to speed, and making it look better than it does since you've moved in. Here we go. All right, so this is gonna be step one, really, and like I said, we've done some things already. He's put down an application of fertilizer in the spring, and I'll kind of show you what it looked like shortly after he moved in, and you can see how we're looking now since fertilizer's been put down. We've gotten things green, and green is better than yellow or brown, obviously. So that was a good first step. He's been working on adjusting sprinklers and getting those dialed in. There's still a little bit of work to do there, but by the time we're gonna get seed down and things like that, he'll be ready to go. But I wanna show you what we're gonna do today as kind of a first step towards a renovation. We'll get that done, and then we'll talk about the plan going forward and what you can look forward to for this project. All right, so as far as weed control goes, we're gonna use Speedzone today. We found a pretty good variety of things in the yard. We found dandelion, clover, oxalis, spurge too. The Speedzone will take care of that, I have no doubt. I've had good experience with it. There's also an infestation in certain areas of crabgrass and fescue patches. And so to approach that, we've decided that since we're gonna be seeding here anyways, we'll just do what we can to kill it. And he's got some glyphosate in the garage. He's gonna take care of that, and probably do a couple of 2-3 applications of glyphosate on those problem spots. But for now, today, we're gonna tackle the majority of these weeds with Speedzone. And because it's so dense with weeds everywhere, we're pretty much gonna do a blanket application. So I brought the Flowzone backpack sprayer over. We're gonna load that up and knock these out. All right, there we go. The weeds are sprayed. So we'll give it, I don't know, 4 or 5 days and you probably see results. And then like I said, he's gonna come through here and spray the fescue patches with the old glyphosate. So that'll be fun. Have fun with that.
Dangerous stuff.
Yeah, he's gonna have all the power. You decide who lives and who dies. As far as going forward, I just want to set expectations now, I guess. And we've already talked about this. We're not going for like a golf course renovation project here. We're just gonna renovate enough to kind of smooth things out and get a nice, thick, dense piece of turf here. Something that's not completely choked out by weeds. Something that's a little bit more consistent than what he's got right now. So that's the idea. So we've got some seed secured, and there are some areas that need some smoothing out. There's a big dip right behind us. I don't know if you can see it here. I'll try and give you another angle. This is a big dip right here. So there's that one, and then there's a couple other spots, but he is gonna bring in some topsoil, and we're gonna do kind of a similar strategy to what I did in my backyard a couple of years ago. Just bring the topsoil in, smooth it out, give it a nice grade, and then we're gonna put seed right on top of that. Everywhere else, I'm thinking we're gonna dethatch. We'll probably aerate too, just do the whole 9 yards. And then after that, we're gonna get seed down and grow some fresh, new grass. So obviously lots to look forward to there. If you're interested in following along and you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. That's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this one. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.